Over the course of 30 shows, there have been many memorable moments and creative stories made by our story producers. I'm Justin Zhang, and I'll be giving you a list of 8 stories that you must rewatch by the end of the school year. First up, the most viewed story goes to an episode of Ask Apaches, titled What is the Worst Date You've Ever Been On?, produced by Amish and Miriam. Released the day prior to Valentine's Day, we see our very own Apaches reflecting on their worst date experiences. With a comedic twist to the story, the funniest story goes to St. Patrick's Day history. Ethan Tran takes us through the meaning of St. Patrick's Day as he reflects on the time he pinched someone in elementary school. Recently, Jelani and Sandra introduced us to the various wildlife around our campus. The story titled Arcadia High School Wildlife is surely the most heartwarming story you must rewatch. On the same show as Wildlife, Amish and Miriam took us through the issue regarding Roe v. Wade and its further progressions. Keep up with the most recent updates by watching our most important and political story of the year. To keep up with the latest in entertainment, the most entertaining story goes to the live segments. The series was led by our former member Nathaniel and now taken over by Rocco. You will be able to catch up on the latest movie, technology, and game reviews. And that wraps up the APN Year In review. Be sure to check them out and look forward to what our amazing team has to offer in the upcoming school year. This has been Justin, and back to the anchors in the studio.